Ivan Gavt has been explaining what happened in between, in summary. Because for 19 years, it's a long story. However, what we are requesting is that government of Uganda takes up the responsibility. When Ugandans suffer in a foreign country, it's a responsibility of the government to take charge and care for its people, especially when your properties are taken away, including life. Congo government has that responsibility to compensate us. Ugandan government has been compensating government of DRC for the war reparations for what happened in Kisangani, paying its citizens. So they are paying $355 million as per the instruction of the International Criminal Court, what they claim that Uganda destroyed in Congo. As Uganda pays that money, if at all Congo has never paid, then the government of Uganda should deduct at least not less than $50 million to compensate these certain families that lost a lot of property when they were in Congo. This is money that is there. We are paying it per annum in every financial year. So therefore, we feel that by talking to the media and talking to the president particularly, he needs to intervene in this issue because it has overstayed. People are suffering. People have died. Families have disintegrated. There are many who are no longer married because their wives have decided to abandon them. They can't manage.
Bampita Mugabaita, the chairman by investor, buying the DRC Amagana. I will nanga with the Tubiogera, ambassador of meeting the first secretary, the embassy. Yatugamba, Mufunewa Muvere Naples. Fe munonye valiwa nero ya wa mulungi mukulewa account mubere organized mwenna abantu makunya tuba compensating munonye we mubera mu kampale na place that was biri mwenda naye ekyewunyisa wagana kakati obana sobola okulwana ku byange nentuuka ku buli ofiisi ekwatibwako ate lwaki nsigala kyekimu mbona obwo buntu bulamu eyo gavumenti ekolera eggwanga oba gavumenti eyekusa kyabuswavu tetwagala byaffe babituwe awatali buli ake mu mazima n'obweka ngaera amazima bwegali President nze kyeyankakasa agenda kutukompensatinga ebintu byaffe tebiri mu mulala temunoonya wa Minister of Foreign Affairs temugenda mu finance temugenda walala nze nganze na meetinga president era ensonga eno egenda direct wa president teri mulala amanyi mumanyi